Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add tags in Asana. So this is very simple and straightforward. Just follow my steps. First, scroll down and navigate to your project section and open the projects where you want to work on. Now, in order to add a tags to some task, so choose a task and go over to the right and click right here onto Add Field. Now, click on Show More, and here you should see tags. Click on it. Now, once the tags field is added, you can simply add a tag. So just write your tag and click on Create Tag. Now you can also assign a color to this tag if you want. So it is really this simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.